Hedera Hashgraph, often referred to by its ticker symbol HBAR, stands at the forefront of a rapidly evolving digital landscape. As of September 8, 2025, HBAR is trading at $201.86, with the day's trading range stretching from a low of $201.68 to a high of $210. But beyond these numbers lies a technological platform that is redefining the way we think about digital value, transactions, and the very foundations of decentralized applications. Unlike most cryptocurrencies, which rely on traditional blockchain structures, Hedera Hashgraph employs a fundamentally different approach: the Hashgraph consensus algorithm. This innovative technology enables Hedera to offer transactional speed, security, and scalability that outpaces many of its contemporaries. Where blockchains string transactions together in blocks, Hashgraph weaves them into an intricate graph, allowing thousands of transactions to be processed in parallel. This means faster confirmations, lower fees, and a system that scales as demand grows. Over the past year, Hedera has made bold moves to expand its ecosystem and cement its place among the world's leading distributed ledger technologies. One of the most notable recent developments came in July 2025, when HBAR was listed on Robinhood, a major US trading platform. This listing marked a significant milestone, opening the doors for millions of retail investors to access and trade HBAR with ease. The immediate effects were palpable: a surge in both price and trading volume as new participants flocked to the digital asset. This increased accessibility is more than a win for the Hedera community. It signals a growing mainstream acceptance of digital assets and the platforms that power them. Yet, Hedera's ambitions go far beyond price action and exchange listings. The platform's leadership has shown a keen commitment to engaging with key stakeholders and policymakers. On July 23, 2025, Hedera's Chief Financial Officer, Betsabe Bataitis, and Chief Policy Officer, Nilmini Rubin, participated in a congressional crypto briefing. This high-profile engagement highlights Hedera's proactive approach to shaping the regulatory and legislative frameworks that will define the future of blockchain and digital assets in the United States and beyond. By sitting at the table with lawmakers, Hedera aims to ensure that innovation is met with thoughtful, forward-looking policy, paving the way for responsible growth of the digital economy. Perhaps most exciting, however, is Hedera's recent push into the world of real-world asset, RWA, tokenization. In July 2025, Cask Capital, in partnership with Christopher Creek Winery, launched tokenized fine wine on the Hedera network. This initiative is more than a novel experiment. It represents a significant step forward in bringing tangible, physical goods onto the blockchain. Through tokenization, ownership and trading of assets like fine wine become frictionless, transparent, and accessible to a global audience. This aligns seamlessly with Hedera's broader strategy to integrate real-world assets into its network, expanding use cases and enhancing utility for both consumers and institutions. Tokenization of real-world assets is a trend gaining momentum across the blockchain space. But Hedera's approach stands out for its efficiency and environmental consciousness. The platform's underlying technology is remarkably energy efficient, especially when compared to traditional proof-of-work blockchains. This makes it an attractive choice for enterprises and projects looking to minimize their carbon footprint while leveraging the benefits of decentralized technology. The robust performance of the Hedera network is not limited to high-profile partnerships or asset tokenization. It also supports a wide array of decentralized applications, dApps, digital assets, and smart contracts. Developers are drawn to Hedera's promise of fast, secure, and low-cost transactions. These attributes are critical in sectors ranging from supply chain management and logistics to finance, healthcare, and beyond. As more industries explore the potential of distributed ledger technology, Hedera's adaptable infrastructure continues to attract innovators and disruptors. At the same time, the Hedera Governing Council, a body composed of leading global organizations, plays a pivotal role in guiding the network's direction. Council members span industries such as technology, finance, telecommunications, and manufacturing, bringing diverse perspectives and expertise. This governance model fosters transparency, stability, and strategic vision, ensuring that Hedera's evolution remains aligned with stakeholder interests and global best practices. Market-wise, HBAR's current valuation reflects both the volatility and dynamism inherent to the digital asset space. At $0.2186 per token, the price may seem modest, but it belies the underlying strength and potential of the Hedera ecosystem. The trading range observed today is a testament to the ongoing engagement of a growing user base, fueled by recent advancements and strategic initiatives. Looking ahead, Hedera's trajectory is shaped by several key factors. First, increased accessibility through platforms like Robinhood is likely to draw in new waves of investors and users. Second, continued engagement with policymakers and regulatory bodies will help ensure a stable, compliant environment for future growth. Third, the ongoing integration of real-world assets, exemplified by the tokenized Fine Wine project, hints at a future where blockchain is not just for digital tokens, but for everything from art and real estate to commodities and collectibles. Moreover, Hedera's commitment to sustainability is increasingly relevant in a world grappling with the environmental impact of technology. By prioritizing energy efficiency and low-carbon operations, Hedera positions itself as a responsible leader in the digital asset revolution. This resonates with institutions and individuals alike, many of whom are seeking ways to participate in the digital economy without compromising on environmental values. The network's technical capabilities continue to evolve, with regular upgrades and enhancements designed to improve performance, security, and developer experience. The introduction of advanced smart contract functionality, interoperability with other networks, and support for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are just a few examples of how Hedera is expanding its toolkit. Each improvement opens the door to new possibilities, drawing in creators, entrepreneurs, and enterprises eager to harness the power of decentralized technology. Community engagement remains a cornerstone of Hedera's success. The global Hedera community is vibrant and diverse, encompassing developers, investors, enterprises, and enthusiasts. Regular events, hackathons, and educational initiatives ensure that knowledge is shared and innovation is celebrated. In turn, this fosters a culture of collaboration and shared purpose, a crucial ingredient for long-term success in the fast-moving world of digital assets. For those considering involvement with HBAR, whether as an investor, developer, or enterprise partner, the current landscape offers both opportunity and challenge. The digital asset market is famously volatile, and past performance is never a guarantee of future results. However, Hedera's recent achievements, strategic partnerships, and forward-thinking leadership suggest a platform well-positioned for sustained growth and relevance. In summary, Hedera Hashgraph is not just another digital asset. It is a comprehensive platform designed to power the next generation of decentralized applications and services. Its unique Hashgraph technology delivers speed, security, and scalability, while its energy-efficient operations set a new standard for sustainability. The recent listing of HBAR on Robinhood marks a major step in mainstream adoption, while initiatives like the tokenization of fine wine showcase the real-world utility of the platform. Engagement with policymakers ensures that Hedera remains at the forefront of regulatory conversations, helping to shape a future where blockchain technology is accessible, compliant, and beneficial to all. As the world continues to embrace digital transformation, Hedera Hashgraph offers a glimpse into what's possible when innovation meets real-world application. Whether it's transforming the way assets are owned and traded, providing the infrastructure for next-generation dApps, or driving the conversation around responsible technology, Hedera is paving the way for a more connected, efficient, and equitable digital future. With its current momentum, robust technology, and visionary leadership, Hedera Hashgraph and its native token, HBAR, are poised to play a central role in the unfolding story of decentralized innovation. As always, those who engage with this evolving ecosystem, whether out of curiosity, ambition, or a desire to shape the future, will find themselves at the cutting edge of a technological revolution that is only just beginning.